Chapter 2 The Apples The eagle flew off, dragging Loki with him. Loki banged and bumped into trees and rocks. "Please," he begged, "let me go." "I will let you go if you do one thing for me," the eagle said. "I want the apples of Idun." Loki said, "Oh no, I can't do that." The apples of Idun were special. The goddess Idun grew beautiful golden apples. She fed them to the gods. The apples kept the gods young. Loki did not want to steal them, but he was soon tired of being dragged. "Yes," he said, "I'll get the apples." So the giant eagle dropped Loki. Loki limped home and then went to Idun. The goddess was putting her apples into a basket. "Those are beautiful apples," Loki said, smiling at her. "Yes," Idun replied. "There are no others like them." "Really?" said Loki. "I saw a tree filled with apples that looked just like those. It is growing at the edge of the city." "Show me this tree," Idun said. "I will," said Loki. "Bring your apples with you. Then you can compare them to the others."